beautiful goddess, welcome back to my channel, Helena's Alluring Makeup. Today I am giving you glowing skin vibes. Yes, we are doing a skincare video. The three main ingredients that I'll be using in this video will be aloe, turmeric, and coconut oil. Girl, are you ready for this? I think you are. The benefits of aloe vera. So aloe vera contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and C, and it also helps and treats with dry skin. So if you have dry skin, this is like perfect for you. It also helps with future lines and wrinkles, so like your smile lines, lines on your forehead, wrinkles around your eyes. It really helps with those problems. And also it fights acne. It's an anti-inflammatory, soothes sunburns, and it cleanses your skin, girl. So why don't you have an aloe vera plant? I actually have one in my backyard, and I talk to it, speak to it, show it some love. And it grows healthy and nice, and after that I'll just chop it up into little pieces. I'll store some in my freezer. When I'm ready, I'll defrost it and just apply some aloe vera on my face. So it's very beneficial, and I feel like every girl or woman should have this into their skincare routine. Now, turmeric prevents skin damage, tightens your skin. It's an exfoliating agent, lightens facial hairs, cures acne, and gives you glowing goddess skin, baby. So goddess, are you ready for that turmeric lifestyle? Please note that this is my first time ever using the turmeric with the aloe and the coconut oil together. Okay, I got this coconut oil from my local Walmart. It's non-GMO, it's virgin coconut oil, and it's organic. Look at that. I don't remember the price, but I think it was pretty reasonable. In this video, I already added the aloe and turmeric together. Now I'm just scraping whatever coconut oil I can get out of this jar, and I'm adding that into my bowl. So I'm mixing the coconut oil and the turmeric and the aloe all together, but I'm also crushing the aloe because it's very like gel-like. So I'm trying to get all the juices to come out of it and just mix perfectly with the turmeric and the coconut oil. Now I'm dipping my wedge sponge into the little concoction, and I'm going to be applying it onto my face. I'm just hoping that this brightens little areas in my face, like the corner of my mouth, where my smile lines are, and also acne scars that I have on my face. This part I realized that I should be applying a little bit more if I want to see somewhat of a result. And plus, it's a one-time thing, so I don't think I'll see all that much. But I will be having other videos basically with me like doing it for like a whole week, or maybe like 2 weeks or whatever, you know. You guys let me know in the comments down below if I should be doing like more videos like this.
Less than fashionable cubbyhole of the San Francisco Examiner, these editors are programming today's copy of the paper into that same Ohio computer. When the telephone connection between these two terminals is made, the newest form of electronic journalism.
I'm just trying to understand, how did it get in my hair? How? Alright, goddesses, this is the end result. This is the end result. I see a little something something, not a lot. It definitely looks very vibrant and fresh, but I feel like I should do this a little bit more often to see a big change. Alright, Divine Goddess, I hope this video was very informative for you, and I hope that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, also, comment if you guys will be adding this into your skincare routine. Please, I want to know. My goddess want to know as well. So go ahead and do that. Thank you guys. Again, peace and love.